When a production alert fires, engineers lose precious minutes jumping between Splunk searches, runbooks, and chat. I'm logging into SentinelOps, our agentic incident commander built for the Splunk Agentic Ops Hackathon observability track. Incidents can come from demo data, manual simulation, PagerDuty, or, in production, a Splunk alert webhook. The app works fully without webhooks. Today, I'll show the core investigation flow. Notice the dual-layer architecture. Splunk provides evidence via MCP Server 1.2 or REST, and a separate AI layer provides reasoning. Both are labeled on every result. Here's a critical checkout service incident. Latency spike after a deployment, classic pool exhaustion. One click on Analyze pulls Splunk evidence, correlates deployments and errors, and streams an AI incident brief. We get ranked hypotheses with confidence scores, affected services and endpoints, and a blast radius estimate. Not a generic chat reply, but structured incident intelligence. The timeline ties deploy events to the alert window, and recommended actions give the on-call engineer a concrete next step checklist. Every analysis records whether evidence came from live Splunk MCP, REST, or demo mode. No silent fallback when live Splunk fails. For Splunk power users NL to SP, follow-up investigation lets engineers ask contextual questions. The model already has the incident analysis in memory. It's a conversational layer on top of the same evidence, not a separate tool. When it's time to brief stakeholders, one click exports the full analysis, hypotheses, timeline, and actions as Markdown or PDF. For production, optional Splunk alert webhooks push fired searches straight into our real-time incident feed. But that's automation on top. The investigation workflow you just saw works today with demo or live Splunk. New incidents appear instantly via Supabase real-time. No page refresh. SentinelOps, Splunk native evidence, agentic AI reasoning, NL to SPL, follow-up Q&A, and export, built on Supabase edge functions, MCP 1.2, REST API, and AI reasoning with model of your choice. Beyond the incident command center, SentinelOps gives you a full observability stack built for agentic operations. In tools, live charts turn latency spikes and error rates into visuals you can read in seconds. No context switching to another dashboard. The settings page is your control plane. Connect Splunk via REST or MCP, wire up webhooks and alerts. Choose your LLM provider, and tune severity rules so the platform matches how your team actually runs. Inside settings, the MCP Tool Explorer maps every tool your Splunk MCP server exposes, so you can see what agents can call, validate connectivity, and trust what's running under the hood. The predictive risk engine scores services before incidents land, surfacing risk trends, confidence levels, and time to incident signals so you can act while there's still room to breathe. The correlation graph ties it together. Incidents, logs, metrics, traces, alerts, and services in one interactive graph, with root cause and blast radius highlighted, so you're not guessing at what broke first. Policy guardrails keep automation safe. Deny rules, approval gates, rate limits, and notifications across safety, compliance, cost, and performance. So agents move fast without moving reckless. And the cost security reliability optimizer balances the trade-offs that every platform team lives with. Monthly spend, MTTR, SLO burn, compliance posture, and prioritized recommendations across all three dimensions. SentinelOps' agentic incident response, from alert to analysis, correlation, guardrails, and optimization, in one place. Repo, more details and live demo link are in the dev post submission. Thanks, we'd love your feedback.
वीडियोस बनाने हैं फिल्मोरा है ना।